Hi students, welcome back. I hope you all doing good. Students, in this video, we are going to discuss about Standard 8, Social Science, Term 3, Unit 2 from Economics. Students, in this video, we are going to discuss about economics. Students, before going into the lesson, we want to understand about what is economics. Okay, listen. Economics is a social science considered with the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Okay, so production. What is mean by production? Making any goods in factory or industry. Distribution. After making the goods, that goods was distributed to the market for the sale. That distributed goods, the consumer or customer, they will buy that goods and they used for their needs. Okay, how they will buy? Yes, they will pay some amount. Okay, they will pay some amount, then only they can get the goods. Okay, so they paying the money. Okay, they paying the money to the market. Through this money only we are developing our economic, okay, economic development in our country. So this production, distributions and consumptions are help us to develop our economic development in our country. Okay, if and also the economic is satisfies the human needs by way of production, distribution and consumption. Okay, so why these are for the development of our economic. Okay, can you get it students? See, for example, if sugar cane plant is grown, okay, karumbu vilayudu, with the help of the sugar cane only we all getting sugar, isn't it? Yes, after the sugar cane plant grown, what they will do? Yes, they will cut that plant and they bring for the factories, isn't it? அந்த பிளான்ட்டை வந்து கட் பண்ணி எடுத்து என்ன கொண்டு வருவாங்க? ஃபேக்ட்ரி கொண்டு வருவாங்க. Then it have some process to make sugar, that is called production. After making sugar, it will distribute to the market, that is called what? Distribution. After distributing to the market, the consumer or customer will buy that goods. Okay, ஸோ கன்சியூமரும் கஸ்டமரும் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா அந்த பொருளை போய் வாங்குவாங்க. ஓகே, we will giving some money and we will get that goods, isn't it? So like this only the economic growth in our country. Can you get it? Shall I move on to the next topic? Yes, so the second unit title is public sector and private sector. Public sector is full of undertaking by the government, and private sector it's undertaken by the ownership or owner. Okay, so the public sector will have the control of the government and private sector have the control of the owners. Can you get it? So in this lesson deals with public sector and private sector, how the public sector and the private sector help us to develop the economic growth in our country. Okay, listen. Introduction. India was basically an agrarian economic with a weak industrial background. So, at the time of independence, students, at the time of independence, India was basically agrarian. Agrarian means agriculture. The basic work in India is agriculture at the time of independence. So, there were high level of poverty. வெறும் அக்ரிகல்ச்சரே தான் இந்தியா வந்து என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி இருந்ததுனால பாவர்ட்டி மீன்ஸ் வறுமை, illiteracy, uneducation. Many of them don't have the education. Okay, and unemployment means no job for many people. Okay, why? Because we depended only the agriculture. Okay, so India experienced very poor economic and social overheads. So very low of economic growth in India. Hence, the economic growth may be sustained at a maximum rate. ஸோ எக்கனாமிக் growth வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியாக தான் இருந்தது. Then after that only the private sector and public sector they joined together. Okay, the public sector and private sector they joined together and they followed the mixed economic for the improvement of economic development in our country. Can you get it, students? So India followed the mixed economics. Mixed economics means nothing but public sector and private sector they join together and they start working for our country development of economic development. Can you get it? Shall I move on to the next? The next is public sector and private sector. Already I gave the introduction. Public sector, it have full control of government, and private sector, it has full control of owners. Okay, listen. There are all kinds of business organization, small or large, industrial or trading. Okay, so both in private sector and public sector, it have small or large industries and trading industries also. Okay, the private sector is owned by owner and the public sector is owned by the government in a country. Since the Indian economy consists of both private and public, so we follow the mixed economic in our country. Why? For the development of economic growth in our country. So private sector and public sector they join together and they start working and they start developing in the economic. Okay, listen. So the public sector works under the service motive and private sector it's work under the profit motive. பப்ளிக் செக்டர் பார்த்திங்கன்னா சர்வீஸ் மோட்டிவில் தான் உங்களுக்கு ஒர்க் பண்ணும். அதே ப்ரைவேட் செக்டர் எடுத்திங்கன்னா ப்ராஃபிட் மோட்டிவ், லாபத்தோட நோக்கத்தில் தான் அது ஒர்க் பண்ணும். ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இஃப் யூ டேக் பப்ளிக் செக்டர், postal, railway, these are the public sector. It work for the people. And private sector also we have the transport, but it aim for only the profit. Okay, can you get it? Next, the next is we are going to see about Indian economic. Okay, we are going to see about the Indian economic. The Indian economic is classified under two categories. One is public sector and another one is private sector. So public sector is divided into three categories. One is departmental undertaking, statutory corporation, government companies. So departmental undertaking, example, railway, transport, postal service. Okay, so these comes under the departmental undertaking. Statutory corporation, it created by government. For example, HRC, Human Resource Management. Okay, then Food Corporation of India. These comes under the statutory corporation. Then government companies, for example, SAIL means iron and steel industry. It is in the Salem. And BEL, okay, it is in Trichy. Then Hindustan Limited. So these are the government companies. And public sector we can come under to the private sector. Private sector, sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship means nothing but single owner. Okay, the company or the business run by single owner is called sole proprietorship. For example, beauty parlor, barber shop, vegetable market, hotel, etc. Okay, then partnership. Partnership means two or more person they join together and they can start the business like interior work, real estate. Okay, then joint into family. Joint into family means it's a family business. Okay, grandfather grandfather அந்த கிராண்ட்ஃபாதரோட சன், அதுக்கப்புறம் கிராண்ட் சன். எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டாடா லிமிடெட், can you get it students? Mahindra, then Reliance and all, you can see it's a generation. It follow the, they will follow the generation. ஒரு ஜென்ரேஷனும் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா அவங்க ஃபேமிலியில் இருக்கவங்களே என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா they will continue the business. That is called joint into family. Next, cooperative. Cooperative means nothing but partners. More partners, they can join together. If, so for example, suppose they starting the business, ஒரு business start பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா ஓனர், the owner want to discuss with the workers. ஓனரு ஒர்க்கர்ஸ் இவங்க எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணுவாங்க. தட் இஸ் கால்ட் வாட்? கோஆப்ரேட்டிவ். ஓகே, தென் கம்பெனி. கம்பெனி ஆல்ரெடி ஐ செட் public sector and private sector, public limited and private limited. For example, some company it under the control of government, but it is in the private sector. Okay, next, multinational corporation. Multinational corporation means nothing but foreign companies. The foreign companies, they invested in India and they started the company in India. That is called what? Foreign companies. Example, IT companies. Many IT companies are in Chennai, isn't it? In India and also in India and also in where? Chennai. Okay, so that is called what? Multinational corporation. Can you get it? Can you get it, students? Shall I move on to the next? So, students, please go through these paragraphs. Then only you can understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, students. Students, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Students, if you need any other topic I want to take, please comment in the comment box. I will take that topic definitely. Thank you, students.